today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng avocado floats, okay? Good morning! And these are our ingredients. We have our Alaska condense, Alaska crema. This is an all-purpose cream. So, I've got vanilla. And I've got 3 avocados and a graham crackers and a graham crust, okay? So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo guys mamaya pagtapos na ako, ha? So guys, ito lang yung isa lang ang good texture. So, yun lang ang gagamitin. So, mag-start na tayo guys. So, kuha ko na kutsara para maano ko siya. Sarap talaga ang condense guys, eh. Sarap. So now we are going to mix it. Maglagay tayo guys ng vanilla. Few drops of vanilla. A little bit. So, ito na guys. Ito na mix na siya guys. So, mix na siya. Really mix na siya. So, this is our molding pan, guys. And this is now our mixture of our cream, okay? So, now we are going to proceed. So, the same as making mango float, we are going to arrange our graham cracker in our molding pan, okay? So, this is what I am going to do, guys. First, make or sprinkle some of the cream in the bottom of the pan. So I wash my hands guys before I prepare my thingy. This is an avocado float, okay? Today, win or life. So, 1 layer lang ito guys. Kasi yung avocado ko, yung nabili kong 3 avocados, isa lang yung walang damage. Yung iba kasi, hindi naman siya halfway damage yung pangalawa. Pero, may siya, it's not good quality talaga. So, yun talaga, mangyari ng mga ganyan. So, yun lang. Yun na lang yun. Yun na lang ang, kung ano lang yung available yung ginagamit ko. Yun lang. Yun lang siya, guys. Orange, orange. There's the shadows to be fall, to be feeling, to be the best to everyone. So, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, kung paano ako nag-ano. Tapos, lagyan din natin once again ng cream sa bago tayo maglagay ng avocado para siya, masarap siya. Para na akong stay when life seems something more. Hindi pwedeng nakaupo, guys. Bawal nakaupo sa trabaho. Okay, now we are going to arrange our avocado slices that I made this. Yes. Kita nyo ba, guys? Magsabi kayo pag hindi nyo nakita. Para, naman. So, dito sa puso ko. Dahil mahal. So, isa lang siya ka-layer, guys, ha? Kasi yun ang nangyari kasi. I expected na lahat ng nabili kong avocado is walang damage. Pero may damage man siya. Kaya yun ang yayari. Mga pangyayaring hindi inaasahan. So, pero okay naman siya. Patuloy ang pangarap. Okay. Ito. Okay. Hindi na ako guys, gloves kasi malinis yung kamay ko ako nag-wash hands ako ulit. Malinis kamay ko. Hawak kamay, di kita iiwan sa paglakbay dito sa mundong lang siya, ganyan na lang siya, guys, kasi toppings ko yung iba, yung natitirang konti sa paglalakbay. So, ito. Ako maglagay ng condense at the top of our avocado para maglagay tayo ng biscuit. There's your shadows to be the best. There's a shadow to be fall, to be welcome, to be the best to everyone. So, yun. One layer lang siya, guys. Kasi next time, sa na ko bumili. I just made one layer because one of my...
Oops, yes.
Jesus Christ. Can you hold your breath?
Megan's got to say something. Rudy.
To be welcome, to be the best. Yun na lang yung topics ko, guys. Dapat mag-form ako letter A kay avocado siya. It's alright. Letter C na lang. Or letter F. So, yes. Malagay tayo guys ng konting I'm done. Yan po. Natira ang mga anik-anik nito. So, it's like making a mango float lang, guys. So, this is my finished product, guys. And I'm going to put this in the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours before serving, okay? Hanggang mag-chilled siya, guys, bago natin i-serve. So, this is yum. So, hi guys. Ito na yung avocado float natin, guys. So, umpisahan na natin ang ating pagkain. This is a dessert, guys, that you can make in all occasions. And it is just very easy to make. And as long as there is avocado in the market, so you can make it, okay? So here is now, guys, our finished product. This is yum. I have tasted already. And look, this is avocado float, okay? Yummy. Thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a great time. Bye!